Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Cancer na mangyayari sa July 6, 2024, 6:57 ng umaga, Philippine time. Ayan. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan ang eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan. So para sa mga into astrology, no? Alam naman natin ang new moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new pathway, new blessings, new beginnings. Anything new, okay? And for you, Scorpio, no, itong reading na to, mas makaka-resonate dito yung mga Scorpio rising. Nabubulol ako. Okay, so Scorpio rising, pwede rin naman mag-resonate sa Scorpio sun or Scorpio moon. But since sa astrology kasi, this is more on rising sign. But we have a tarot reading, so anyone can resonate, okay? Na Scorpio, may Scorpio placements. So for you, Scorpio, itong new moon in Cancer is going to happen in your 9th house. 9th house is the house of adventure. O, di ba? Meron kang bagong adventure na sisimulan. Ito yung energy ng isang tao na trying to find themselves, no? Hinahanap mo yung sarili mo. Maaaring ngayon, may mga gusto kang subukan na explore sa buhay mo. This can be exploring of knowledge, skills, abilities, or exploring nature, exploring the world, literal, na mamumundok ka or maggagala ka, magta-travel ka, mas lalabas ka ngayon. Oo. So, it's time for you to go out and experience nature, ganun. Some of you merong opportunities sa travel abroad or working abroad, no? Maaring ganon. Venus is also here in your 9th house, and I think meron kang mga ipupursu na, let's say, business opportunities or related sa let's say, hindi lang siya business, but business partnership. Oo, kasi meron siyang sextile sa Mars, which is in your 7th house. This can also mean taking care of yourself, no? Focusing on self-love, self-care. Ang self-love, self-care kasi hindi lang naman rin yan sa physical appearance natin or sa katawan natin, no? It's also about your mind, your yung pananaw mo sa buhay, your spirituality, your individuality. So, I think for you, itong self-care na gagawin nyo is about may mga gagawin kang pabor para sa sarili mo. Hindi lang laging para sa ibang tao. Okay? So this time, you will take care of yourself to experience. You will nurture, you will love yourself. 'Di ba? Para sa mga iba sa inyo na hindi pa nakakapag-travel, lagi niyong iniisip yung ibang tao. Kumbaga ngayon, it's time na mag-focus ka muna rin sa sarili mo. Na kung gusto mong pumunta sa Boracay, pumunta ka sa Boracay, 'di ba? Kumbaga, minsan kasi hindi natin ginagawa yan dahil, sayang pera, sayang kasi to, ganyan. Pwede na sa ibang bagay. Well, practical yon, of course. Pero kailan mo gagawin yan? Kung gusto mo naman talaga pumunta, mag-travel sa ibang lugar, kailan mo gagawin yon? 'Di ba? Ask yourself, kailan mo gagawin yon? So, it's time for you to take care of yourself. Kasi, through travel and exploration, dun mo mas makikilala yung sarili mo. Hindi mo akalain na, ito palang pag-travel ko rito sa, let's say, sa Siargao, binago yung pananaw mo pagdating sa buhay mo. No? Ang pananaw mo sa buhay na hindi lang pala pera yung importante. 'Di ba? Marami pang mas importante sa buhay. Although, parang natin yan, tool, no? But, may mga pagkakataon na rin na you have to connect with nature, around you. Example lang yon. And meron itong mga positive aspects sa Mars tsaka sa Saturn. sa Mars, which is in your 7th house. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring yung person na gustong-gusto nyo, no, na maging kapartner, I feel like you are finally taking action to, open up dito sa taong to. Kasi you'll never know, baka gusto ka rin niya. 'Di ba? Paano mo malalaman kung um, masyadong mataas yung walls mo, masyadong mataas yung ginaguard mo yung sarili mo. So, some of you will be, opening up. Para may magli-lead to, this can lead to a relationship, no? Romantic relationship for some of you. Yung iba naman, this can mean exploration of business partnership na pwedeng meron kang mga taong makikilala along the way, na merong mga ideas on how to, do business, na magkakaroon ka ng interest. So you may be partnering with them. You also have trine in Saturn, which is in Pisces in your 5th house. Saturn ngayon is naka-retrograde, so it's time for you to reassess what you really want in life, to reassess kung saan ka papunta from here. Kumbaga, parang babalikan mo kung ano yung mga na-accomplish mo na, ano pa yung mga gusto mong ma-accomplish. And the 5th house is also your creativity. So, pwedeng meron ka ipupursue na creative na mga projects. Some of you naman, maaring mas magiging playful kayo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Yung kumbaga kung dati medyo aloof kayo or umiiwas kayo, ngayon mas mag-enjoy kayo. You will try to meet new people, express yourself, So yung iba naman baka magkakaroon kayo ng baby, bagong member of the family. So you have the Queen of Wands. Yes, this is confidence in yourself. So this is your energy, the Death card. Death card is about rebirth, a new beginning, a new opportunity. But bago mangyari yon, may kailangang mag-end. So yung iba sa inyo, you may be ending a situation in your life para maipurso nyo yung mga gusto nyo. Oh, you have the 8 of Swords. So meron talagang pumipigil sa inyo. And I think, kung ano man itong pumipigil na to sa inyo, tatanggalin nyo na yan. You are going to walk away from that and explore other opportunities outside your comfort zone. Kasi yung ba talaga sa inyo, masyado na kayong naging matagal sa comfort zone ninyo. At parang sometimes you feel bored or parang naghahanap ka ng excitement sa buhay. So this is the time for you to explore and find excitement sa buhay mo. Ayun, wait lang, nalaglag. Okay, you have the Fox. Pay attention sa mga makakasalamuha mo. Of course, the more kasi na mag-open up ka, the more na merong mga bagong connections na mapapalapit sa'yo. And hindi yan lahat maganda yung intentions. Whether sa romantic connection or sa business partnership. So you have to use your instinct. Kasi actually, napakalakas ng inyong instinct. Alam nyo agad if there's something wrong. Yes, speaking of, the bear is about protection. You are going to protect your energies from the people na may ill intentions. Hindi maganda yung intention sa'yo. Can be sa romantic, can be sa business, sa pera. So, yeah. You also have the dog. Dog is like a friend, no? Maaring meron kang kaibigan na who's always there for you, who always assist you, or someone na loyal sa buhay mo. This can be a romantic partner or a business partner or a confidant, a friend na laging andyan for you. And yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring meron kayong makikilala na bagong tao sa buhay nyo na magiging best friend mo pala. O, diba? Hindi naman laging romantic partner. We can always get to know new people and you'll never know na yung pala ay magiging BFF mo forever. No? Yeah nga BFF na forever. Okay, be humble. First quarter moon in Leo. Yes, I think you will be grateful sa mga blessings na meron ka. Kumbaga, you don't need to tell the world kung ano yung mga achievements mo. pwedeng you will be keeping it to yourself, low-key, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na you are celebrating your success. Have faith in your dreams, Scorpio, because isa-isa yan mangyayari, isa-isa yan matutupad as long as you're willing to explore new things in your life, okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!